Hi guys, in this tutorial we're going to create an iPhone 5 case template, and it's going to be based on a foreground template design where you have an overlay image on top of the canvas. It's going to mask out the design into the printable iPhone case area, as well as have a template beneath. The template is going to be the actual iPhone image, and we're going to design the back, just the back. Of course you can't put a design in front. Let's get started. We're going to the PitchPrint admin panel and navigate right straight to the design sections. And okay, once it loads, we're going to create it into the product cases section. Let's type in a title, iPhone case. Yeah, and change dimensions to units to inches, as well as render PDF. Submit. Okay, once the designer button becomes active, we click it to launch straight into designer section. Okay, yeah, we're gonna enter in a title, call it phone back. The width, let's give it a width of 2.31 and a height of 4.87. There are no bleed lines. Please remember, these are the actual iPhone dimensions, the final product dimensions. These are not pixels. These are the actual dimensions, and the unit specified is in inches here. Next, we're gonna upload our foreground image. You can always download the images from the video tutorial page down there. We have two images for this iPhone tutorial. We have the foreground as well as the template image. The foreground is the picture that will be on top, more like a mask. The template is the image of the iPhone that we'll use as a reference, so your users can actually see the iPhone underneath. So let's click the foreground browse file. Have the pages, have the pictures stored somewhere. Tutorials, okay, that's folder, and iPhone foreground.png. Uploading. Okay, done. Next, I'm going to upload the template file, iPhone template. Yes, at the page. Okay, the page is created, and as you can see, we can't find the picture of the iPhone, but we're going to change the transparency to very low so we can see the picture beneath. Let's set it back to high. The reason it's that the background is set by default to white, so the template beneath is hidden. Now, since we are going to use a different background image, a picture, we don't need to set the transparency to 0, so we'll leave it at 100%. And let's go to the background, set background sections. We have an image there, general. Okay, let's select the image there. Okay, you have that selected, it's loading. Okay, as you can see, the image is a little deformed, and we need to make some adjustments. So we'll go to the edit background image. To edit it, it loads the editor. We can then adjust it. Please don't try to change the aspect ratio. This aspect ratio is set for that particular background. So let's click apply. Okay, it's done. You can as well apply any of this filter, let's just save it here, and once it's saved, we can just okay, I think it's loading. Yeah, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, next let's try and add a text. title, set to center, change the color to white. Okay, select it to edit. What can I enter? Okay, let's say thinking. Okay, which you, yeah, sounds nice, kind of. Okay, let's adjust it. Change the font, align it a little bit to align properly with the love icons. Yeah, let's change the font to something nice and comic new. Yeah, I know. BR play, BP replay. Sorry, let's utilize it. Yeah, I think it's nice. Let's see preview. Okay, looking nice. You can see it's maxed out. Okay, submit, and the case is created. Thanks for your time.